Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we'll discuss how to grow sunflowers and to care for them. Let's get started. Introduction to sunflower. Sunflowers are best known for their bright, daisy-like flower faces and heliotropic nature. The flowers follow the movement of the sun throughout the day. If you're looking for a heat-tolerant and pest-resistant flower that's also a source of food, consider sunflowers. There are several varieties of sunflowers that you can choose from. When and where to plant. The best time to plant sunflowers is when the spring frost has passed and the soil has warmed up. This is preferably between April and June in the northern US and Canada, and mid-March and early April in the south. There should also be a full sunlight exposure. Sunflowers do best in direct sunlight, and their roots should not be disturbed, which is why direct sowing is recommended instead of transplanting. They thrive in hot climates and slightly acidic soil. You should ensure the landscape has direct exposure to sunlight for at least 8 hours a day. How to plant sunflowers. Press the seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep and 6 inches apart into the warmed soil. If possible, mulch the landscape after planting to keep the soil moist. Once the plants are at least 6 inches tall, you can plant multiple seeds and thin them to the most vigorous candidates. Thinning helps to eliminate seedlings that have been damaged by pests. You can add fertilizer when planting to enhance strong root growth. This will help the sunflowers during maturation by protecting them from strong winds. When the seeds start blooming, you can spread a net over them to keep birds away until they fully germinate. How to take care of it. Favorable growth conditions. Sunflowers require alkaline soil with a pH of around 6 to 7.5. The soil should be well drained, preferably warm and loose. Exposure to the full bright sun is equally important, and the spacing should be convenient depending on the sunflower that you're planting. To effectively take care of sunflowers, water them regularly, especially during dry periods, so they don't dry out. For very tall sunflowers, use stakes to support them. For those whose flowers have bloomed, feed them with potassium every week if possible. The method of taking care of sunflowers depends on the stage and type of sunflowers in question. Thanks for watching.